What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet, and we got in more cars today. I'm telling you, every day cars are coming, but they are coming and they are going. So if you're looking for a vehicle, you need to get down here. And we're excited. You know, we were down to none tracks. Now they just keep coming. We got 3 more in today. We've got this track's all-wheel drive, another all-wheel drive, and that was an all-wheel drive too. Plus we got here over here. There's another, they're all-wheel drive. So if you were looking for an all-wheel drive tracks, we have got them. Come on down and see us. Plus, we have got trucks that keep coming in. Truckathon runs through Sunday. And we are kicking off today our It Is Time to Flip Your Ride, New Mexico. If you've got a vehicle, you want to turn it into cash, come on down. If you want to turn it into a trade, come on down. If you've got a vehicle that you can't get running, let us help you so you can flip that car into cash, because it is time to flip your ride, baby. Come on down and see us, Melloy Chevrolet, 505-866-3000, right here on Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. Melloy Chevrolet, your hometown dealership. We've got cars. Come on. Get on down here and see us.